everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to hide all error values in Excel with Kutools for Excel. With Kutools for Excel's Select Cell with Error Value feature, you can select the error values with one click and then format the font to white color. Please do as follows. Select the data range that you want to hide the error values. Click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the Select drop-down list and click on the Select Cells with Error Values, and all the formula errors have been selected immediately. Click the OK button and then go to the Home tab, and in the font group uh, choose the white color which is as the same as the cell's background color as follows, and all the error values have been hidden quickly. As you can see, after hiding the error values, you will find the error green flags at the corners of the cells still be there. To hide these error indicators, please click the File tab, click More, click Options. In the Excel Options dialog box, click Formulas from the left pane and choose a white color at the Indicate Errors using this color. And all the error indicators have been hidden as well after clicking the OK button. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.